Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Maelgwyn Mineral Services Africa advances sustainable mineral processing in Africa, and big cost cut uplift for major Limpopo Platinum Group Metals projects. Commercial mineral processing specialist Maelgwyn Mineral Services Africa is positioning itself at the forefront of sustainable and innovative mineral processing solutions, helping to redefine the intersection of metallurgical performance and environmental stewardship across the African continent.
At our organization, we've taken sustainability and innovation and put that into advanced mineral processing technologies that improve metal recovery. In doing that, we've developed a metallurgical services department that spearheads this effort. In conducting metallurgical test work in our laboratory, we do on-site audits and ongoing optimization evaluation to ensure we position these technologies effectively. So our Aachen high-shear reactors and pneumatic flotation devices were developed to enhance metal recovery, and coincidentally the Aachen reactor also reduces cyanide consumption in all of these gold circuits typically found across the world. Now, to address this, the ESG component, combining these technologies and our technical services offering, we're able to comply with some of the rigorous components that are put out there in terms of new standards that we need to comply with in ESG today.
The Bingwenyama Platinum Group Metals project in South Africa's Limpopo province has received a major uplift through a staged development plan that cuts upfront capital costs by 38%.
Back in 2024, we basically completed our drilling program and then produced a pre-feasibility study. Now that feasibility study specifically demonstrated to us that we can establish a tier 1 project on the property, and that was basically just on the UG2, just on one farm, which gave us a life of close to 30 years. The next step was then to look how we can align the base case to the funding options available to us. And the board earlier this week decided on the stage project, and it basically entails stage 1 where production will start at around about 100,000 tons per month and for more or less 4 to 5 years, and then step up to 200,000 tons per month. Now, what this does is basically significantly reducing our peak funding requirement to as much as $279 million US dollars, or 38% lower than our previous PFS. And you can see the huge benefit that it then brings to us, not only for us as a junior, but also I think making it much, much more attractive for financiers and also investors out there.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.